manifest looks good. The bulls appear healthy. You are cleared to proceed to the unloading bay.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving. Watch your step there, big guy.
Check the ventilation stats on panel 4.
Reading stable. The Sing bulls appear comfortable and healthy.
The feed levels look good on the trough sensors. Yeah, the automated system is working perfectly this morning. The Sing look very calm.
The data from Sing 7 looks stable.
Good, let's keep the ventilation steady.
This group appears very calm today.
Yes, health markers are optimal across the board according to the tablet.
Did you scan the last crate for the bull shelter?
Yes, the manifest is updated. We're clear here. The thermal scans on Sing 5 look exceptional today.
Confirmed. Growth metrics are stable and above projection. The air filtration rate remains optimal.
Make sure the feed schedule is synchronized with the automated delivery system. Already done, the Sing bulls are ready for the next cycle. The integration of the new feeding system seems stable according to the metrics on the tablet.
Agreed. We just need to monitor the younger bull's intake closely.
Everything aligned on the checklist. Yes, ventilation levels are stable. Final report looks good.
Hoof maintenance complete on Sector 3. Acknowledged. Vitals are optimal across the board. The new feed mix is effective.
This cinematic tour showcases the pinnacle of modern industrial design, where advanced robotics and a diverse
See the curvature here near the tip? It's slightly off spec.
Let me check the calibration. It seems within tolerance now. Approved. We need the curve to follow this exact line for the handle.
The caliper reading matches the horn's radius here. It fits perfectly.
As you can see, the finish on these horns is absolutely flawless. It's the pinnacle of ManufactureXplore's craftsmanship.
The thickness here allows for the inlay.
And the natural pattern aligns perfectly with the sketch.
And this is the centerpiece of the collection. Every curve is shaped by hand right here in the factory.
The finish on this curve is exceptional. Agreed. The mounting is secure. Final approval confirmed.
This piece truly represents the synergy between advanced technology and artisanal skill that defines ManufactureXplore.
The ManufactureXplore collection represents the pinnacle of modern craftsmanship, blending tradition with innovation.
Check this section here. The grain seems slightly off. Yes, the tensile strength data confirms a minor inconsistency.
The leather undergoes rigorous testing, checking for consistency and durability under professional light.
I think the stitching should be finer here.
Let's try the espresso color swatch next to it.
The client approved the hardware samples yesterday.
The stitching is flawless on this prototype.
We should use the same technique for the tote bag design. The texture is exquisite.
Look at this consistency. It's flawless.
And the color saturation is exactly what we need for the new line.
stitching on this tote is absolutely perfect.
Yes, the craftsmanship is exquisite.
The stitching on this wallet is perfect.
Yes, the grain matches the sample. It's approved.
In the final stage, our skilled artisans meticulously prepare each item for its journey, a testament to our commitment to quality. In this modern factory, human expertise and robotic assistance combine to manage our extensive inventory of luxury goods. Meticulous attention to detail is paramount. Each label is applied by hand, ensuring the highest quality finish for our luxury goods. Everything aligned on the manifest. Yes, cross-checked and accurate. Final package scanned.
We are incredibly proud to present the final collection.
Each item represents the pinnacle of modern luxury manufacturing.